Hello everyone, this is Professor M.S. Goite, Assistant Professor of Department of Agricultural Entomology, Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nashik. In today's lecture, we are studying about the bee biology or the biology of honeybee, and in which we study the different caste of honeybees, then different species of the honeybees. Every honeybee colony comprises of a single queen, then a few hundred of drones and several thousand worker caste of honeybees. The queen is a fertile and a functional female, the worker is a sterile female, and the drone is a male insect. So this is the difference between three caste of honeybees. So let us see one by one. First one is a worker bees. Worker bees are a female bees born from fertilized eggs that engage in the majority of the work, that is tending larvae, collecting and processing pollen, making honey, guarding the hive and other general housekeeping. Then second one is a drones. Drones are a male bees produced from unfertilized eggs whose sole responsibility is to reproduce with the queens at a surrounding hives. They are only produced when the hive is growing, usually during the peak pollination season and before a swarm or when the queen is running low on the sperm. Drones die once they reproduce. All drones from the same hive are clones of the queen since they are produced without genetic material from a male bee. So this is the two different caste of honeybee. First one is a worker bees and second one is a drones. Then third caste of honeybee is the queen bees. Queen bees are responsible for laying of eggs. There is only one laying queen per hive and she can live several years under the healthy conditions. She mates mostly with drones from other hives. When her health is weakening or the hive is preparing to swarm, she will emit pheromones to help create a new virgin queens which can start a new colony. So these are all about the three different caste of honeybees. So this is the caste of honeybees of Apis mellifera. First one is a worker, queen and drone. The size of queen is larger than the worker and drone. Thus the lifespan of workers can be divided into two phases, as first one is 3 weeks for a household duty and rest of the life for the outdoor duty. So this is the duty of worker honeybee. First one is a household duties. The first household duties is build comb with the wax secretion from the wax glands, then feed the young larva with the royal jelly secreted from the hypopharyngeal gland, then feed older larva with the bee breed, a mixture of pollen and honey, feeding and attending queen, then feeding drones, then cleaning, ventilating and cooling the hive, then guarding the hive, and last one is evaporating nectar and storing honey. So this is the household duties of worker honeybee. Then second duty is outdoor duty, collecting nectar, pollen, propolis and water, then ripening honey in a honey stomach. Then next is a 5 important species of honeybees are as follows. So these are the 5 different species of honeybee. First one is the rock bee, means the Apis dorsata. Second one is the Indian hive bee, that is Apis cerana indica. Third one is the little bee, means the Apis florii. Fourth one is European are also called as Italian bee, that is Apis mellifera. And fifth one is Damer bee, are also called as Stingless bee, that is Melipona irdipenis. So let us see one by one. First one is a rock bee, means the Apis dorsata. So in image we can see the first species, that is Apis dorsata. They are giant bees found all over the India in mountains regions up to an altitude of 2700 meter. They construct single comb in open about 6 feet long and 3 feet deep. The important point is they produce about 36 kg honey per comb per year, and these bees are the largest among the bees described in. Then second species of honeybee is the little bee, means the Apis florii. They build single vertical combs. They also construct comb in open of the size of the palm, in branches of the bushes, also the hedges, buildings, caves and empty cases. They produce about half or the kilo of honey per year per hive. They are not rearable as they frequently change their place. The size of the bees is smallest among the 4 Apis species described and smaller than the Indian bee. They distribute only in plains and not in hills above 450 msl. So this is the second species, that is little bee. Then third species of the honeybee is Indian hive bee, are also called as Asian bee, that is Apis cerana indica. They are the domesticated species which construct the multiple parallel combs with an average honey yield of about 6 to 8 kg per colony per year. These bees are larger than the Apis florii but smaller than the Apis mellifera. They are more prone to swarming and absconding. They are native of India or Asia. So this is the, or in image we can see the Apis cerana indica. Then fourth species of a honeybee is the European bee, also called as Italian bee, that is Apis mellifera. They are also similar in habits to Indian bees, which build a parallel combs. They are bigger than all other honeybees except the Apis dorsata. The average production per colony is 25 to 40 kilograms. They have been imported from the European countries, that is Italy. They are less prone to swarming and absconding. So in image we can see the European bee, are also called as Italian bee. Then fifth species of honeybee is the Damer bee. Besides true bees, 2 species of stingless or Damer bees, such as the species of Damer bee is Melipona and Trigona, means the Melipona irdipenis and Trigona irdipenis, occur in our country in abundance. These bees are much smaller than the true honeybees and build irregular combs of wax and resinous substances in crevices and hollow tree trunks. The stingless bees have the importance in the pollination of various food crops. They bite their enemies or intruders. It can be domesticated, but the honey yield per hive per year is only 100 gram. So these are all about the different species of honeybee. Thank you.